Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will continue with the chapter 1 family relationship. So in last part we got to know about Angad, how Angad used to live with his family, and he also told us how important his family is. Now let's continue with the types of family. First type is joint family. So as the name indicate, joint मतलब जुड़े हुए. So a joint family has parents and their married children living टुगेदर. जब पेरेंट्स अपने मैरिड चिल्ड्रन के साथ एक साथ रह रहे होते हैं, वो जुड़े हुए होते हैं, तो उस तरह की फैमिली को हम जॉइंट फैमिली कहते हैं. सो जॉइंट फैमिली कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज लिविंग अंडर द सेम रूफ. बहुत सारी न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज मिल करके एक जॉइंट फैमिली बनाती है, और ये जॉइंट फैमिली एक सेम रूफ के नीचे एक साथ रहते हैं, उसे हम जॉइंट फैमिली कहते हैं. मोस्टली जॉइंट फैमिली शेयर अ कॉमन किचन एंड होल्ड अ कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी. Sharing space teaches the children cooperation, living in harmony and caring for the member of the family. So joint family में किचन्स जो है, किचन सेम होता है, किचन स्प्लिटेड नहीं होता है. बहुत सारी न्यूक्लियर फैमिली एक साथ रह रही हैं, सेम किचन वो यूज़ कर रहे हैं और सेम प्रॉपर्टी दे आर होल्डिंग, तो उसको हम जॉइंट फैमिली कहते हैं. और जब हम जॉइंट फैमिली में रहते हैं तो जॉइंट फैमिली में चाइल्ड यूज टू लर्न हाउ टू कॉपरेट एंड हाउ टू लिव इन हार्मनी विद अदर पीपल्स ऑल्सो, एंड हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ each other. Now there is an incident. It's about a girl whose name is Indu. So Indu's father died in a road accident in डिब्रूगढ़, which is a place in Assam. So असम में डिब्रूगढ़ नाम की जगह पे इंदू के फादर met an accident and he died there. Indu and her mother shifted to Meerut to live with her father's parent. तो वो अपने पेटर्नल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, अपने दादाजी के पास इंदू और उसके मदर शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं मेरठ में. Now Indu's mother was not trained for any job. As इंदू के फादर जॉब करते थे, तो फिर इंदू की मदर किसी भी जॉब के लिए ट्रेन्ड नहीं थे. But she learned computer and office management. बट आफ्टर इंदूज फादर्स डेथ, इंदू की जो मदर थे उन्होंने कंप्यूटर और ऑफिस मैनेजमेंट लर्न कर लिया. नाउ शी वर्क्स इन एन ऑफिस. इंदूज ग्रैंडफादर हु इज़ अ नेशनल लेवल स्विमर टीचेस हर स्विमिंग. सो इंदू के ग्रैंडफादर जो कि एक नेशनल लेवल स्विमर हैं, वो इंदू को स्विमिंग सिखा रहे हैं. एंड ड्यूरिंग द समर वेकेशन ही टेक्स ऑल हिज ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन टू द स्विमिंग पूल एंड कोचेज देम. इंदू एंजॉयज हर कजन्स कंपनी. सो ये जो इंदू के ग्रैंडफादर हैं, ये नेशनल लेवल के स्विमर हैं. ये अपने ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन को स्विमिंग टीच कर रहे हैं. स्पेशली समर वेकेशन के टाइम में आप देखेंगे सारे स्विमिंग पूल्स ओपन हो जाते हैं. यू कैन गो फॉर स्विमिंग देयर. एंड दिस इज इंदू एंड दिस इज इंदूज कज़न. और इंदू को भी अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से, अपने ग्रैंडफादर से स्विमिंग सीखना बहुत पसंद है. एंड ही ऑल्सो एंजॉय हर कज़न्स कंपनी. Now next type of family is nuclear family. A nuclear family consists of a married couple and their unmarried children. So nuclear family में married couple जो है unmarried children के साथ रहते हैं. And in a nuclear family the parents and siblings provide all the support, companionship and advice to the children, as their cousins, uncles, aunts or grandparents do not live with them. अब क्योंकि cousins, uncle, grandparents वगैरह साथ में नहीं रह रहे हैं, तो nuclear family में जो companionship है, जो company है, जो support है और जो advice है बच्चों को, वो उनके पेरेंट्स और उनके सिबलिंग्स प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं. एंड यूजली देयर इज ग्रेटर इंटरेक्शन अमंग द पेरेंट एंड द चिल्ड्रन इन अ न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. सी जॉइंट फैमिली में चाइल्ड यूज टू इंटरेक्ट विद ऑल द मेंबर ऑफ द फैमिली. वो अंकल से बात कर रहा है, आंट से कर रहा है, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से कर रहा है, सिबलिंग्स से कर रहा है, पेरेंट्स के साथ कर रहा है, कजन्स के साथ कर रहा है. सो देयर आर नंबर ऑफ पीपल जिनके साथ बच्चा जो है इंटरेक्ट कर सकता है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, family, तो एक a child can only interact with his or her siblings and with his or her पेरेंट्स ओनली. तो पूरी तरह से जो इंटरेक्शन है, जो सपोर्ट है, वो पेरेंट्स और सिबलिंग का होता है एक बच्चे के पास इन अ न्यूक्लियर family. Now there is another example, and this is from the Angad's family only. We all know that Angad is having his parents are business personalities. They take care of their business, whereas his grandmother take care of him and his family's medical health. She also narrates wonderful stories for him. His grandfather take care of them, and he used to take them for the nature's work. Also, he's having a sibling whose name is Adit Singh, who also take care of him. Now, Angad is also having an uncle. Now, let's know about the Angad's uncle. Angad's uncle work in a bank. He works in a bank, and as we all know, बैंक की जॉब तो ट्रांसफरेबल होती है. सो हिज अंकल हैज बीन ट्रांसफर्ड टू लद्दाख, एंड हिज वाइफ एंड 2 children are also going with him. The whole family is feeling very sad. Angad's uncle Sandeep and his wife Priya rent a house in Ladakh. Their children Riya and Vikas miss their grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins. Their parents are helping them to adjust to a nuclear family. So earlier, Angad's uncle Sandeep and his wife Priya also used to live in a joint family with their children Riya and Vikas. But as Angad's uncle works in a bank and now he is transferred to Ladakh, तो पूरी फैमिली को लद्दाख मूव करना पड़ रहा है. नाउ फ्रॉम द जॉइंट फैमिली दे आर टर्निंग टू बी अ न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, क्योंकि सिर्फ पेरेंट्स और चिल्ड्रन दे आर मूविंग टू लद्दाख, एंड देयर पेरेंट्स यानी कि मिस्टर संदीप एंड मिसेस प्रिया दे आर ट्राइंग टू हेल्प रिया एंड विकास टू adjust in a nuclear family. As earlier Riya and Vikas used to have their grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins also around them, but now they are moving to Ladakh, so they are no more going to the grandparents no more going to be around them. तो उनके पेरेंट्स जो है उनको एडजस्ट करने में हेल्प कर रहे हैं. नाउ अंगद इज ऑल्सो हैविंग अ फ्रेंड एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स नेम इज Parth. Angad went to Parth's house to see his baby sister, whose name is Shweta, and Parth told him that she grew up in his mother's body. She was delivered in a hospital and brought home. Angad wondered where she would sleep and what would she eat. Obviously, अब छोटी सी बेबी है, वो उसके माउथ में तो टीथ है नहीं, तो that's why Angad is wondering what she is going to eat. Next is changing family system in India. So the family system family system is changing very fast. Earlier in India we used to have joint family system, and joint family system was very strong in India, but now it is changing as Indian people they are moving to the different part of the country and different part of the world. आप देखेंगे एक स्टेट के लोग आपको डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में मिलते हैं, डिफरेंट स्टेट्स के लोग आपको अपने स्टेट पे मिल जाएंगे, और डिफरेंट कंट्रीज में इंडियन पीपल आर मूविंग एंड वर्किंग. पीपल फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज आर कमिंग टू आवर country and they are working here, they are moving here, they are residing here. So as the people they are migrating from one place to another place, due to this the whole family system is transforming. Now the people migrate to other places in search of better job, educational opportunities and suitable climate. हमने ये पहले भी डिस्कस किया है that why do people migrate, and the reason is Jambo. Jambo में J stands for job, E stands for education, M stands for marriage, B stands for business, O stands for occupation and W stands for weatheric climate. So basically Jambo is the reason why people used to migrate from one place to another. As you just read about Angad's uncle is moving to Ladakh because of his jobs, right? Now, do you know that all family members get together for celebration like weddings, festivals and birth of the child? Although joint family system जो है वो split होकर के nuclear family system बन रहा है कहीं पे, part of it is transforming to nuclear family system, part of it is still joint family system, but all these members who move outside, who used to migrate to different places, they all come together, get together for the celebration of weddings, festivals and birth of a new child in their family. So in earlier time what happened, most people are engaged in agriculture. See, पहले 80% से ज़्यादा population जो इंडिया की थी वो agriculture करती थी, and even in present scenario more than 62% of Indian people are doing agriculture only. The agricultural area is more than 62%. So it required many hands that were available in a joint family. See, there used to be this family couple, and they used to have a piece of land. Okay, this is a land. So as this was their land, they were two people only. Now they were having this land, and इस land में जो भी they used to grow, that fulfills their need very well. बहुत आराम से उनकी needs जो हैं वो fulfill हो जाती थी. Needs basically क्या होती है? Food, shelter, water, ऑक्सीजन एंड क्लोथ्स, दैट्स इट. इतनी सी नीड्स होती हैं हमारी. बाकी तो हमारा जो कंफर्ट लेवल, जो हमारा लाइफस्टाइल इम्प्रूव होता रहता है, दे आर आवर वांट्स. वो हमारी वांट्स होती हैं, वो हमारी नीड्स नहीं होती हैं. बट व्हाट हैपेंड दैट दिस कपल they were having these 3 children. Now these 3 children, they got married and they were again a couple are having 3 children, right? Then ये जो 3 children थे, इनमें से इस वाली फैमिली ने क्या सोचा? इन्होंने सोचा as the population is increasing but the land is limited. लैंड में तो कोई चेंज नहीं है, लैंड लिमिटेड है. पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हो रही है, फैमिली इंक्रीज हो रही है, नंबर ऑफ फैमिली मेंबर आर इंक्रीजिंग, बट द लैंड इज स्टिल लिमिटेड. And as the land is limited and population is increasing, it no more fulfills the needs of the family. That's why this couple decided that they will move to cities for better job and for better education for their children. And now this is how a joint family, जिसमें से एक nuclear family अलग हो गई, but these couple they remained joined only. So this is how the whole family system changes. The reason was that the income from the land was not sufficient for increase in the size of the family. तो उनकी needs को fulfill करने के लिए nuclear family बन गई. Nuclear family becomes common in rural areas. Even in urban areas, number of nuclear families increased as many members moved to other cities or countries for education, employment, climate, etc. As we read earlier, why do people migrate? Whatever the family, whatever the type of family may be, each member of the family is important. A family provides an environment of care, protection, love and belongingness. Now, do you know that family unity can be encouraged in following ways? First of all, you must treat all the members of your family with respect. Whether they are elder or they are younger, you must respect your family members. Forgive and forget. Everyone used to make mistakes. If someone, अगर किसी से कोई गलती हो जाती है, you must forgive them and forget what they did earlier. Spend quality time together. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक आप किसी के साथ, आप अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ रह रहे हैं, अभी प्रेजेंटली लॉकडाउन है, you all are living together at your home, but still everyone is busy in mobile phone. That is the quantity time. You are not spending quality time. Quality time is when you are interacting with your family member. That is called quality time. So families are like branches on a tree. We grow in different direction, yet our roots remain as one. So it doesn't matter whether you are living in a joint family, whether you are living in a nuclear family, or you are living in an extended family. What is important is that you must take care of your family and respect every member of your family. This is all for today. Bye bye. Take care.